want to share with you a product that is one of my favorite products to use. It's the 3-in-1 Cleansing Renewal Face Rub by AnthroSpa. And I love using this product because it does three things. It cleans my skin, it tones it, it also exfoliates it, so it polishes it and resurfaces it and keeps it feeling renewed, refreshed, and rejuvenated. Now, this product is super easy to use. It's 100% natural. There are no fillers, no preservatives, no toxic chemicals to irritate or harm your skin. And all you need is a very small amount because the product is concentrated. And you pour a little bit of powder into your hand. This product is activated with water. So when you're using it, you just add a little bit of water to it in your hand. When you're washing your face, just add a few drops of water. Mix it into your hand. And it turns into a cream. Then you massage the product over your face. I love that this product is also aromatherapeutic, so it really rejuvenates my senses and soothes my mind, makes me feel refreshed and invigorated. It helps regenerate skin cells. And then you remove. I love the experience of this product of feeling like I had a full facial. I feel refreshed and rejuvenated and invigorated, and my skin feels so smooth and soft and hydrated. This product cleans without any soap to dry your skin. There are no detergents. It cleans with a natural antibacterial herb that was used by Native Americans as soap, and it really keeps my skin refreshed.